Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing the Profusion's palette for you guys. It's called Confidence. I saw it and it was on 75% discount at Target, so go hit up your local Target. Especially because the holidays are over, this is like their new little collection for the holidays. A quick little disclaimer before I get into the video. I want to let you guys know that I'm sorry for my absence. I've been gone for like 2 cool minutes, 2 cool weeks. Trying to sound cool. And yeah, and I want to say sorry for the line. I feel like my face looks really white. The setup is all messed up. You guys can see it's like wrinkled right here because my siblings are over for the holiday vacation, and this is the room my brother sleeps in and plays Fortnite and all that. So yeah, I'm trying to work with what I could right now for now, but I did miss you guys a lot. I do have good news coming up for you guys, so if you guys are interested on watching my future videos or my past videos, depending what video I post first, the schedule will continue. I'm very sorry for my absence, like I said, but other than that, let's begin because your girl misses this and I'm a little rusty around the edges right now. So today's special palette that I picked up, like I said, is Confidence from Profusion. Got it at Target for 75% off. I don't remember how much I paid for it. I believe it was $4 because it's like a little bit scratched up and it was like open, like it was already open, like it didn't have the plastic thingy, but it's not swatched, so hey, whatever. So Profusion palettes, the newest ones always come with a brush. This is the brush. It's a dual-ended brush. It has the blending brush and then it has the eyeshadow brush. The palette I am talking about today is this one right here. I honestly love their packaging. Like their last package was chrome around the edges. This one is just like a glitter. But this is what the palette looks like. It's really pretty. It reminds me of like the Morphe palettes. I don't know what palette it is, but it reminds me of the Morphe palette. I think this palette is really cute. So we're going to dip right into it so I can do my makeup. And you guys will obviously go along with me. Everything is primed and ready to go. So let's begin. If you guys want to know where my mirror is from, it's from the dollar store. If you go to the dollar store, you already knew that. But let's get right into it. It has 21 shades. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It has satins and shimmers in here. I just counted all of them, but yeah, and there is a lot of mattes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 mattes in here. So let's begin. So the color I will be popping on my crease, I believe I want to go into Switch right here. Your girl's really rusty. Switch. Ven acá, ven. Mírame en la cama, me miro bonita. Bye. So I'm grabbing Switch. Yeah. And okay, go. Yeah. Soy rojo. Ok, deja agarrar sus dos porque dice mamá que va a venir ahorita. Okay. A ver, agórdame aquí. Okay, so sorry for the interruptions. I feel like this video is going to go to shit if people don't stop bothering me. But we're going to go into Switch, and I'm going to be leaving the palette right here, and I will show you guys the fallout right now. But I'm going to tap off the axis, and I'm going to pop that right on my crease. I'm just going to be dabbing. Okay, stop it. I'm just going to be dabbing this on the crease, you guys. And it's very light for my liking, but I've noticed I go straight into color. Like I half of the time don't even have a transition color, and then someone would want to take a shower right now. If you guys hear any random noises, it's the damn shower. Talk about technical difficulties. I don't know if I mentioned this in this video because I've had to start already a second time. But I love the Profusion brush set, so if anybody knows of Profusion having a brush set, let your girl know because she's interested. I'm going to go right away and put the transition color on my other crease so I can use the same brush because I honestly want to use like this brush. And you can create one look with it. You can create... Girl, this is why you should have never took a break. If this look goes to shit, I'm gonna cry. Why are you playing with my emotions? You be liking my pictures. And when I be tagging you on my story, you be commenting me hearts. Put me on the PR list because your girl is putting in work. Por favor. Are like off, like they're off. I'm going to the next brush. If you guys have not shopped on Shop Miss A, you guys are missing out. Shop Miss A has one of the best blending brushes and eyeshadow brushes. Basically, the AOA brand on Shop Miss A is thebomb.com, and you are missing out. So please get your hands on these brushes because they're really cool or whatever. So I want to make it like vibrant. So we're going to go into the next color, which is Secure, which is this one right here. It's kind of scary and pigmented. And it has fallout, but every red normally has fallout, so it's whatever. It just, ooh. Yep, this is a red. How this red is everything. Make sure you just blend it because red is hard to work with. Well, in my opinion, I always have to like blend the hell out of the red because I like the transition of it. Just this one. I need to get away from these berry colors because that's literally all I know. That's all I do. But how can it not be when it's like so beautiful? I'm literally about to have a mental breakdown. Coming together for someone that's almost gonna cry. I don't want to cut my crease today, so we're not gonna cut the crease. They have a eyeshadow brush on the dual-ended brush from Profusion. So we're gonna go in with I believe I'm not going with the gold. I'm gonna go with a Sunny, which is this color right here. Doesn't this look like the Morphe palette, you guys? Like the little Morphe palettes that they're selling. What palettes are they? I don't remember. I remember I had one and I sold it because I didn't like it. Like, no thank you. I'm going to be doing a dry eye and a wet one. So let's go into the eyeshadow dry. That's how much of the product it picked up. So let's give it a fair shot. Okay, okay. Profusion is putting in a work. So am I. Sponsor me. Wow. It's pretty. I need to mess around with my camera settings because I honestly think I messed up my camera settings a little bit. But I am going to be wetting the brush and see how it looks on the other eye. It's probably going to end up cutting a crease. Yep. Ooh. You can leave it dry or you can use it wet. I personally like it wet. Okay, this color is everything. And you guys need to try these palettes out. I literally cannot wait till I am on Profusion's PR list. Like, that's a goal of mine. Like, that's like one of the first people's PR lists that I want to be on. I don't know why. I just honestly think their products are amazing and I'm obsessed. And I ain't lying because you can go back to my video and check it out. My videos. I love Profusion as a brand. Can y'all tag Profusion on my Instagram? Tell them stop playing with the girls' emotions, please. I knew I should have got the other palette, so. you know, homegirls balling on a budget. Okay, so the ojos are cute or whatever. So I'm gonna go into a clean brush and I'm gonna grab the matte shade, which is called Winning, right here, and it's just a matte shade. They always put a matte shade on their palettes, a white matte shade to be clear. I'm gonna go into the under eye, and you guys make sure you guys go to my Instagram. I'm gonna put it right here. I deleted my old Instagram. I had 4,000 followers, but I deleted it because I just felt like it wasn't a good time in my life. I was going through a lot of stuff that still nobody knows. Damn. But make sure you guys follow my Instagram. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here for you guys to go ahead and follow me. I don't post daily because when I don't post here, I don't post on there. If I'm posting here, I post on there like all the time, but I haven't posted in 2 weeks, so just go follow me. Your girl be posting some bomb ass pictures of the looks you guys don't see on here. You guys can go follow me on there. But now we're gonna go into the bottom lash line because your girl's talking too much. And my mom's on my way. My mom's one of those people, when she comes over, she just talks a lot and just stays here for hours and hours and hours. So I'm trying to get this video done. But I want to do a pop of yellow, which is this color right here, which is Serendipity. I don't know how to read. So we're just going to grab this color right here. And this is just a regular brush from BB. And I'm just going to post it under here. Put it under here, not post it. Ooh, makeup's all fleek though. And it's really not doing anything. You can see it, but you really can't see it. And I'm just gonna go in to Secure, which is that color right here, one more time. And then we're going to go into Madly, which is the plum color. I'm going to put it right here. All with the same brush. Because I'm a G and I could do it like that. No, it's because all my brushes are dirty. Now I'm going to clean off the same brush on a napkin. And I'm going to go into Mascot, which is the shimmer shade right here. And we're going to be putting that on our inner corner. Like we need more shimmer. It's never enough. Okay. So the eyes are done. I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara in my eyelashes. And I will be right back to tell you guys what I think about these eyeshadows. Okay, you guys, excuse the little chair right here. I had a different chair over here, but it's over there in the corner because it has like my shoes on top of it because my sister cleaned my room for me. So yeah, let's get into this palette. I honestly am obsessed with this palette. I think it's like one of my newest favorite palettes, especially because the colors in this palette, the little theme it has going on, it's right up my alley. It's called Confidence by Profusion, and honestly, Profusion has been stepping up their brand so damn much. Like I always say in all my freaking Profusion reviews, I love this palette. I think it's worth it. The color combos it has is perfect. I believe originally this palette is $10, and that's not bad for 21 eyeshadows. You're getting, I believe, 8 mattes, and then there's like 5 satins, and then like 3 shimmers. That's the math, if it's even right. I'm a little rusty because I haven't done this for 2 weeks, and it's like hard to like think about the proper words to sound good in your videos. But yeah, you guys, this is like the 4th Profusion palette I try on my channel, and I honestly don't regret purchasing any of their palettes. Their eyeshadow formula is amazing, and I recommend you guys to try it out. If you guys have not tried it out, go pick it up, try it. Trust me, it's $10. $10 you're probably gonna waste on something dumb anyways, unless you put it in your car for gas, then that's different. But yeah, it's $10. Give it a shot. If you guys have already tried and you guys don't like it, let me know why you guys didn't like it. Let me just put the disclaimer right here. It does have fallout, but what eyeshadows nowadays don't freaking have fallout, you know? But I really don't mind fallout as long as I don't look a hot mess after the fact of all my foundation and everything is on. If I look cute like I do right now, then I really don't care. I mean, it looks cute, it looks good, and it's affordable, so what the hell. So a really quick overview of what it's on my face since I'm talking about affordable. I have Wet n Wild foundation on, Wet n Wild blush. I have BH Cosmetics, the little duo bronzer palette that they have. I have that on. Highlight, I have it from Shop Miss A. It was $1. Eyebrows are by e.l.f. brow pomade in medium brown, which is really dark. And then the lashes are from AliExpress, and these are the MH22s. Yep, MH22s. And you guys can go watch my AliExpress video, while I will try to link up here for you guys. And click on the link and it takes you directly to AliExpress and the lash company I bought these from. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry for my absence one more time. I have a good video coming up for you guys, so you guys can go ahead and know the good news. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And once again, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe in the description, in the rusty. And before I leave, I want to say, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications so YouTube can notify you every time I post a new video. And if you're an OG, welcome back, girl. What's up? What's popping? What's Cadillacing? What's up with it? What's jiggy with it? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué onda? What's up? Let your girl know in the description box down below. But other than that, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe, please. And I will see you guys in my next video.